YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with another banger for you guys in this video. I appreciate all the support that you're giving me on these videos. It really helps out the channel. And remember guys, supporting content creators of Tonic is like free marketing. The more the project gets out there, the more we have new people that join the community and the more the project grows. In this video, we're going to be breaking down CZ's warning to you guys as investors in the market and what we could expect for the future. If this is something you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 1,600 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Share, like the video, let everyone in the Tonic fam know. Let's get 1,000 views per video, 100 likes per video. I know we could do it, Tonic fam. Now looking at Tonic, we have 30,091 people on the watch list. We finally got past that 30,000 threshold. The project is growing guys. I remember covering it when we were only at 26,000, 25,000 people on the watch list. Now we're up to 30,000 people on the watch list for Tonic. There's more and more people joining the Tonic fam and the community. This project is one of the best projects on the Chronos chain. 36,112 addresses in the Tonic fam right now. When we take a look at Chronos scan, as you guys can see here, constant transactions that are taking place for Tonic guys. The project is not losing any steam, and it is just continuing up further. Tonic right now up 4%. We are having another green day guys. Is it the start of the bull run? Does kind of look like it. I'm just happy that we're bullish again. You know, it's been so much bearish market conditions. It's been so boring for so long. I'm just happy we're having some relief, some green for once, you know. a bit more optimism in the market, you know. It's been lacking, that's for sure. We are at $22.6 million in market cap for Tonic, 641k in 24-hour trade volume. And if we take a look at the 7-day for Tonic, you guys can see the bullish pattern continues right to the uptrend, moving up in that consistent uptrend guys. I don't know, man. It's looking super bullish. We're using the Tonic Crow comparison. Shout outs to CoinMarketCap for the update. As you can see, we're literally following Crow's pattern, guys. When Crow starts going to $1, $2, $3, how far could it go with a blow off top, right? You never know what could happen in the future, but I know for a fact, one thing I know, Tonic will follow Crow like its little brother. As you guys can see right here from the chart, right? So the future for Tonic is looking super bright. If we take a look at the broader markets, Bitcoin, everyone was super happy. Bitcoin at 20k, $20,734. ETH up $1,500 right now. It is looking super bullish for the markets guys, and I'm super happy to see that. Tonic absolutely gonna continue to crush it. And now going into where I said CZ was warning you, he was making a number of tweets with a lot of people, you know, kind of like speculating on his tweets, seeing where he's going with his tweets, right? The market was super bearish, but CZ was saying the shorters just might get wrecked, not financial advice. The bears just might get wrecked, not financial advice. And now he put out a tweet: if you bought the dip because of FUD, you should thank them. If you sold because of it, then unfollow, unsubscribe, report, and block. Don't keep low quality information sources that makes you poorer. Choice and action are what you can control. We have a few people in the comment section replying. One of the biggest bears in the space, Capo of Crypto: this tweet will likely make history, but in a bad way. PS, inciting the reporting of others without a justified cause is probably the worst thing that has been seen around here. It seems like you're trying to silence / eliminate what you don't like to hear. Wonder why? So it's still, you know, up for debate. Are we gonna go lower? Is it possible? Are we gonna go lower, or is this the start of the most bullish thing we've ever seen. I watch a few streamers as well that talk about, you know, alts and Bitcoin. Jordan Cameron is the name of the channel. Let me pull it up for you guys real quick. Shout outs to him. When he was covering Bitcoin in his last stream, or the broader markets, because he does cover the broader markets, everything is lined up for Bitcoin to continue higher. Bitcoin broke above the bear market resistance band. Every past cycle we see after a point in time leading up to the halving in Bitcoin, there's a move to the upside, and then it continues up further from there. So we'll see what happens. Just know we continue up further. Just know this tonic market cap is absolutely gonna explode. Okay, it's gonna absolutely explode. As you guys can see right here, Tonic, such a great DeFi project. It has $248 million in TVL, at one point surpassing Solana's TVL, right? That is super bullish for a project, a DeFi project. That is a lot of money that is locked into Tonic right now, guys. I'm telling you guys, a lot of the top money in the space, when they do get into the space, will look into a DeFi project like Tonic because it is so innovative. The whales love to see numbers like this. When Tonic gets to $1 billion in TVL, $2 billion in TVL, it's just even more bullish, right? So everyone that's taking advantage of the DeFi of Tonic right now, you know, you're being smart. That is what the project has, you know, been set out to do, right? Be a great DeFi project. So we'll see what happens with that as well. I can't wait to see the DeFi llama charts for Tonic start going to the upside, right? Right now it's just going sideways, but saw something from Steven Crypto Enthusiast. A lot of you guys were asking in my comment section, why does crypto.com have selling restrictions? Do you all think with crypto.com putting selling restrictions on Tonic is a good thing and it's helping the price? I do, as it spots people shorting and paper hands from selling huge amounts in one go. Now I don't know the full detail, but there's a limit of what you could actually withdraw or sell on crypto.com, which is 1.2 billion. Some people think it's a good idea, some people obviously don't. For Sam Crypto said it's because of low liquidity. This is a safe bet that is always on small market cap cryptocurrencies. Just a thought. Now I'm not too sure myself, but I'm sure there's videos out there to dive deeper on this subject, you know. So anything comes up, guys, just let me know in the comment section. I'll look into it myself as well and bring it to you guys in future videos, right? From Brian Elliott, put in 1 bill on Tonic, looking for that next bull run in 2024, and that's how it should be, man. DCA, scoop up a bag and diamond hand and wait, be patient, and it's gonna pay off, right? Tectonians, welcome new Tonic holders. We are Tectonians. I'm telling you guys, the community has been growing so much. Tonic has been growing so much. It is great to see, right? This is the just the start of what's to come for the future of the project. It'll keep growing because of everything that is surrounding it. Also because it's on Cronos, the Cronos ecosystem. Crypto.com is not going anywhere. I keep repeating this. Crow is not going anywhere. Crow will absolutely crush it. Tonic will follow as its little brother or little sister. You guys let me know in the comment section, right? But yeah, guys, future for the project is looking super bright. Lean 6 DeFi, Tonic, when I first started my journey with Tectonic Fi, and I'm still here, not selling anytime soon because I'm a diamond hander. DCAing at the lows, and he's still diamond handing, even though he's up in profit right now as we speak, because these gains that we're seeing right now, when we zoom out, it's barely anything, guys. It's barely anything that, you know, from what we could potentially expect in the future for Tonic. From Dino, baby, Tonic is absolutely ripping my portfolio. Man, I'm telling you guys, a lot of people are up right now in Tonic. Especially if you were checking out the channel, you are up right now on Tonic, and I'm telling you, I'm sure it'll continue to go up further. Tonic has great fundamentals. Tonic is one of those alts that has great fundamentals, and you know, it's just like projects on the Ethereum ecosystem or the Avalanche ecosystem. The Ethereum, or the main coin for the project, starts making a move to the upside. BNB, for example, other projects get more bullish because the main ecosystem project is getting more bullish. And when the lead market movers, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, start getting bullish and start moving to the upside as well, projects like Tonic, Crow will move up, Tonic will move up, and it's absolutely gonna go crazy. I could only imagine when, you know, the top dogs go to new all-time highs, Tonic being such a low cap gem, what type of market cap are we gonna see for Tonic, man? What do you guys think down below? Like I said, from 10 million, if you were scooping up around 10, 11 million, 10x, even if you're getting in right now, 10x still possible, 100x still possible, $2.25 billion in market cap, it's still possible. It's still very possible for a project like Tonic. And you know, I'll continue to cover it on the channel because the project is super bullish, and I can't wait to see what unfolds for the project in the future. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you made it this far, you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting these videos really helps the channel out and spreads the word of Tonic. Like I said, if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.